Counting numbers up. Can you give a smaller pictorial explanation? First of all, we should know counting number sequence. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to add up these counting numbers. Means we have to find cumulative sum. S1 means sum of first term equal to 1. S2 sum of two terms 1 plus 2, that is 3. S3 sum of three terms 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. S4 sum of four terms 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 10. Similarly, sum of first 5 terms will be 15. So you can notice we get the sequence of triangular numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Let me see you pictorial representation of cumulative sum of counting numbers. Look carefully, these all are triangular numbers just formed by adding up the counting numbers. So here the pictorial presentation of triangular numbers in beautiful manner. I hope you all got it.
Bye everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe to Me, You, and Maths. A line has no endpoints and can be extended in both directions infinitely. So, a line has no definite length, hence it cannot be measured. Okay? Now tell me about the ray. Don't you know what is ray? Okay, I tell you. A ray has only one initial point. It can be extended in only one direction. You see, it's like a line, but it goes on forever. It can't be measured as it has no definite length. Do you understand, little friend? So we can't measure both? Then what can be measured? Just tell me. Now, look at the line segment. A is here, and B is here. The distance between them is the length.
Today we are going to solve the question number 3, chapter 1, patterns in mathematics. Figure it out. Page 8. Question is, which sequence do you get when you start to add the all ones sequence up? What sequence do you get when you add the all ones sequence up and down? So one thing should be noticed, this question in two parts. First one is adding up the sequence of 1, and second one adding up all the ones up and down. Okay, so for part 1, sequence of all ones is 1 1. Part 1, adding up means cumulative sum. S1 equal to 1 means sum of first term. Sum of two terms will be 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Sum of three terms will be 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Sum of four terms will be 1 plus 1 equal to 4. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4. We get the sequence of counting numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And for second part, he is saying what sequence do you get when you add the all ones sequence up and down. So first of all, sequence is 1, 1, 1 and so on. Now adding up and down. So S1 will be 1. It's the sum of only one term. S2, we get 1 plus 1. Then we will go backward. So we get 3. S3, in this we get 3 terms to add up. But we have to go again backward. So we get 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5. S4, for 4 terms, 1 plus 1. Now we have to go backward, taking all the 3 ones on the left side. We get 7. Here we are getting 1, 3, 5, 7. These all are what? Odd numbers. So we get the sequence of odd numbers when we start adding up and down the all ones sequence. See you in the next video with next solution. NCERT class 6 Ganit Prakash. Figure it out, page number 5, question number 3 of chapter number 1, patterns in mathematics. In this question, it is said, you will have noticed that 36 is both a triangular number and a square number. That is, 36 dots can be arranged perfectly both in a triangle and a square. Make pictures to illustrate this. Try representing some other numbers pictorially in different ways. So first of all, he is saying that 36 can be represented as a triangle and a square. Students, you know triangular numbers which are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, then 28, and the next one is 36. And we all know that we get these numbers by adding the consecutive counting numbers. 1 plus 2 we get 3, 3 plus 3 we get 6, 6 plus 4 we get 10, 7, 28, 28 plus 8, 36. So here 36 is a triangular number, while in square number sequence is 1, 4, 9, 25, 36 and so on. 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, and 36 is 6 square. So you can see 36 also includes the property of square numbers. Hence 36 can be represented as triangle as well as square. Pictorial representation is, as a triangle we can arrange the 36 dots in this way: 1, then 2, then 3, next last one is 8. See, this is the arrangement in triangular form. How many dots are there? 36. Now we will arrange 36 dots like a square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a square of 6 by 6, that is 36. 6 square. Now he is asking to represent some other numbers pictorially in different ways. Yes, 9 can also represented in two different ways. First is like a square: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dots as a square. Then it can be arranged, these 9 dots can be arranged in this form: as a cross, like this. So this is the arrangement of 9 dots as a cross. I hope you get it. Today we are going to do the question number 2 of Figure It Out, page number 8, chapter 1, Patterns in Mathematics, from Ganit Prakash. Question is, by imagining a large version of your picture or drawing it partially as needed, can you see what will be the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dash plus 99 plus 100 plus 99 dash plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Here the important thing is to notice the pattern. In first segment of the sequence, numbers are increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to 99 plus 100. After that, numbers are going to decrease and go up to 1. If you remember, in last video I have told you, when we add the numbers up and down or any number sequence, when we add the numbers up and down, they become or they take the form of like this. Again, we start with counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. These are counting numbers. So we are taking the sequence of counting numbers. S1 means sum of first term 1, sum of two terms 1 plus 2 plus 1, sum of one term is 1 and sum of two terms 1 plus 2. Again going backward. So we get 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4. Sum of three terms 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Increasing then decreasing. We get 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. Again 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here we are taking 4 terms and again decreasing the numbers up to 1. 3 2 1. So we get 16. Most important, 1 is the square of 1, 4 is square of 2, 9 is square of 3 and similarly the 16 is square of 4. So we are getting square numbers. If we generalize the formula or rule, we will get Sn means sum of n terms 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus n minus 1 plus n plus 1 n minus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So it will be n square, the middle term. Here you can see in sum of two terms, it is 2 square. 4, it is 2 square. That means square of middle term. Again sum of three terms, we get 9. That is 3 square. Again sum of middle term S4, we get 4 square. Again square of middle term. So in our question, we have been given 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 99 plus 100 plus 99 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So here the middle term is 100. So we get sum equal to 100 square. And what does it means? 100 multiply 100. So we get 10,000. That is our final answer. As in the question it was said, by imagining a large version of your picture or drawing it partially. So this portion is the partial representation and this one is the large version. So we get 100 square, 100 into 100, 10,000. See you in the next video.
Hello everyone, welcome you all. How are you? All good? So, I am telling you an interesting story. First of all, I will give some introduction about the story. Sometimes so many questions arise in my mind, and I am sure all the small kids who learn numbers also think sometimes that since when have human being counting? What was their need for counting? What were they counting? And so many questions would be there. For example, since when have been people writing numbers in modern form? So now it's high time. Get ready to travel back in time with me. Actually, it's a story about a little girl, Rima. Rima's journey through time of numbers. Rima sat quietly, starting at the strange symbols on the paper. She says, Papa, how can these be numbers? Her father smiled and said, Let's go on a little journey. He said suddenly. The room faded, and Rima found herself standing in a dusty ancient lane. Here, the man was drawing marks on a clay tablet. Rima asked, What are you doing? The man says, I am counting grains. She asked with Surprised, how are you counting the grains? He replied, we use symbols like these. Then her father explained, this is one of the earliest number systems from Mesopotamia. They used wedge-shaped marks called cuneiform. Rima noticed it looks so different. Now she moved to another place where people were drawing symbols like sticks and ropes. These are Egyptian numbers. Now her father said they use pictures to count, like lines for one, a heel bone for 10. Rima giggled. Math was like a drawing. Her father said, yes, math was like a drawing, and even in today's time, math is also an art. Now she comes to another. There she saw some soldiers were writing I, V, X. Rima shouted, oh, I have seen this. I have seen this. Yes, her father nodded. These are what? Roman numerals. Here I stands for 1, V for Y, V for 5, and X for 10. Rima tried. So 12, is it XII? Exactly. His father said, you are right. Now they reached in ancient India. Scholars were writing numbers like 1, 2, 3. You can see on the screen, he is writing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then Rima said, these looks like our numbers. हम लोग भी ऐसे ही लिखते हैं ना आजकल के टाइम में numbers. Her father smiled proudly. Yes, this is where the modern number system began. And the most important invention, Rima interrupted. She said zero. Correct. Zero changed everything. I hope you have listened to my story, Numbers का झगड़ा, Zero का कमाल. I have told the importance of zero in that story. और अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं सुनी है, तो प्लीज मेरे चैनल पर जाकर जरूर सुनिएगा. In next room, they saw that traders carried these numbers to Arabia and then to Europe. You can see on the screen India to Arabia to India, India to Europe, and this circular motion, the numbers moved on. These are now called Hindu-Arabic numerals, the numbers we use today. So, I hope I have told many types of improvement or development in our number system from the ancient time till now. Suddenly, Rima was back in her room. She looked again at the strange symbols and smiled. So, numbers have a story from marks to pictures to letters and to today's digits. Her father said, yes, yes, dear. And maths is not just numbers, it's history, creativity, and human thinking. Rima said excitedly, I want to learn more stories of numbers. And at the end, I will tell you every number you write today carries thousands of years of human history. Yes, आज जो हम नंबर्स लिखते हैं उसमें हजारों साल की ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री है. आप लोग हैरान हो रहे होंगे कि आज मैंने ये टॉपिक क्यों उठाया. एक्चुअली अभी 8th का एनसीईआरटी का जो न्यू सिलेबस आया है उसमें हमारा एक चैप्टर है स्टोरी ऑफ नंबर्स. गो थ्रू दैट चैप्टर यू विल सी ऑल दीज नंबर्स एंड these ancient times number systems. I hope you have enjoyed the story with a little bit knowledge too. Thank you. See you again with more interesting topics and stories. Bye bye.
Okay, so when you have same sign integers like 5 and 5, same sign, got it? Exactly. So you just add them together and then keep the sign. Keep the sign? Yes, 10, that's it.
When you add -5 and -5 together, you get -10. See?
Hi. Go. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it.
Hello everyone, welcome you all. How are you? All good?
Every negative number is less than 0, but every positive number is greater than 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive. It's the borderline.
Ah! Wow! Wow, I will always remember it. Sir, you see, Mittens, math is the language of the universe. Mrow? It's how we calculate the trajectory of star beams and ensure cosmic harmony. Can you get it? Pi minus 22 over 7 is equal to what? A. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Meow.
Exactly.
Hey, hop up, no, no.
Numbers are like toys. Play with them, and they reveal secrets. Almost done. Ta-da! Wow! Hello there, little guy. Come here. Oh, you're the best!
Hello friends, today let us explore a new word. But before that I am telling you a short story. It will be interesting. These two ones feel lonely. You can see how sad they are looking. Now what to do make them happy? What could be? Just guess. What can be done to make them happy? Thinking? Okay. I guess you will say make them 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Will they make 1 plus 1 equal to 2? Oh no. Wait. This is not addition. Just remember, when you feel sad or boredom, what would you like to do? Just to go and join your buddies. Am I right? Then what? Then here is the secret. The secret word. Concatenation. What does it mean? Don't add, just join. So, they decided to stay together and now they are feeling so happy. And through this story, we have explored the new word concatenation, which means don't add, just join. तो बताओ concatenation में numbers friends बनते हैं या एक दूसरे में जुड़ जाते हैं? Let's see. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 or 2 plus 3 will be 23. Have another taste. Hello plus world becomes hello world. It means words also join together to make a new and fascinating words. Now it's your turn. Just try. 7 plus 8 equal to what? Answer in comment box. I will be waiting. Have fun. Bye bye. Today in algebra, our topic is algebraic expressions. Okay. In this video, I will tell you what are algebraic expressions and parts of algebraic. A quick recap. As in last video, I have told you that literals and letters used to represent number. Their value may change, so they are called variables. Also, for example, x, y, z, a, b, etc. हम लोग कभी कभी अननोन वैल्यूज के लिए कुछ लेटर्स को यूज करते हैं जिन्हें हम वेरिएबल्स कहते हैं क्योंकि उनकी वैल्यूज फिक्स नहीं होती और चेंज होती रहती है. Use of letters will help us to write rules and formulae in general way. Letters help us to determine the unknown values. Okay. Now, what are constant and variables? The values of literals changes according to the situations. So literals are called variables. Different situations में literals की values भी different हो जाती है, change हो जाती है. So they are called variables. Variables are represented by English alphabets. A, B, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. कोई भी आप alphabets ले सकते हैं. Since the number in arithmetic always represent the same quantity, even in different situations, so the numbers are called constants. Means जो हम counting numbers use करते हैं, जैसे 0, 1, 2, 3, वो हर situation में उनकी value same रहती है. अगर हमने 2 लिखा है, तो वो 2 ही रहेगा किसी भी situation में हम उसे अगर लिखते हैं तो. ठीक है. So they are called constant. Constant का मतलब होता है जिसमें कोई change नहीं होता, जो stable रहता है, स्थिर रहता है. So variables do not have fixed value, but constants have fixed values. What is algebra? A formula is written with the help of literals, constants and 4 basic operations. Means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. जब हम कोई formula लिखते हैं literals को use करके constants और 4 basic operations जो है हमारे plus, minus, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन, इनका यूज करके जब हम कोई फॉर्मूला लिखते हैं वो अलजेब्रा होता है. एक्चुअली यूजिंग लिटरल्स इन जनरलाइज्ड रिजल्ट ऑफ अरिथमेटिक इज नथिंग बट अलजेब्रा. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन? Algebraic expressions including constants and variables combined by arithmetical operations are called algebraic expressions. अभी मैं आपको इसके आगे एग्जांपल्स बताऊंगी. तो ऐसी एक्सप्रेशंस जिनमें कांस्टेंट भी होते हैं, वेरिएबल्स भी होते हैं और जिन्हें हम अरिथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस के साथ कंबाइन करते हैं, तो वो नाउ व्हाट इज algebraic term? First of all, algebraic term is the part of expression separated by a plus or minus sign are called the terms of an expression. जैसे मैंने ये एक्सप्रेशन ली 7xy minus 7y plus 3z. Now I will tell you what are the terms of this expression. First term 7xy. Okay. Next minus 7y. Next 3z. You can see signs are also included in terms. हम signs को ignore नहीं करेंगे. Actually plus sign is not necessary to write. So मैंने यहाँ किसी पॉजिटिव टर्म के साथ हमने प्लस का साइन नहीं लगाया है. बट माइनस साइन इज नेवर इग्नोर. लेकिन माइनस साइन को हम कभी भी इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, उसको हमेशा हमें साथ रखना होगा. Four fundamental operations in algebra. means plus, minus, multiplication and division. First of all, there are literals and there may be literal and number. या तो हम लिटरल्स में ये ऑपरेशंस लगा सकते हैं या लिटरल और नंबर दोनों को यूज करके हम इन ऑपरेशंस को लगाएंगे. जैसे अगर मैं एडिशन की बात करूं तो as we can add numbers 2 plus 3 equal to 5 कर सकते हैं ना हम लोग. तो इसी तरीके से हम लिटरल्स को भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. देखो कैसे. Sum of a and b. Here a and b are literals. A plus b and sum of z and 10. Z plus 10. Subtraction. As we can find the difference of numbers means 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Similarly, we can find the difference of literals. Here a and b are literals. So difference of a and b will be a minus b. And difference of x and 4 will be x minus 4. Now its multiplication. As we know, 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Hence, we can find the product or multiplication of a and b, that is a into b. Product of b and 7, b into 7 is equal to 7b. Now division. As we can find the quotient of numbers means 15 divided by 3 will be 5. So quotient of a and b will be a divided by b, and quotient of a and 5 will be a divided by 5 is equal to a upon 5. Now you should know that how do the operations are applied on the literals and numbers. Sum of same literals means अगर हम same literals को add करते हैं a plus a will be 2a, but sum of different literals will be a plus b. ये सॉल्व नहीं होंगे, इसको हम a plus b ही लिखेंगे. Now difference of same literals a minus a equal to 0. You know, when we subtract the same quantity from the same, so answer will be 0. So a minus a is equal to 0. But sum of different literals a minus b. Product of same literals a multiplied by a is equal to a square. आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं a के ऊपर हमने 2 लिखा है. This is the power a square, a raised to power 2, or it is called a square. Now a multiplied 3 times, a multiply a multiply a, it will be a raised to power 3 or called a cube, a cube. If we multiply a 4 times, it will be a raised to power 4. But product of different literals a multiply b is equal to ab. मल्टीप्लाई का साइन अगर हमारे दो लिटरल्स के बीच में मल्टीप्लाई का साइन नहीं है, इट इज अंडरस्टूड दैट दे आर मल्टीप्लाई टू ईच अदर. ओके, यहाँ a इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू मैंने लिखा ए बी में कोई साइन नहीं नजर आ रहा. इट मीन्स दे आर मल्टीप्लाइड टू ईच अदर. डिवीजन ऑफ सेम लिटरल्स a डिवाइड बाय a इज इक्वल टू 1. जब हम सेम लिटरल को उसी से ही डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो 1 आएगा. But division of different literals a divided by b is equal to a upon b. Product of literal and a number a multiplied by 5 is equal to 5a, z into 7 is equal to 7z, 3 into y is equal to 3y. तो आप यहाँ नोटिस कीजिए, जब भी हम एक लिटरल और नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, आंसर में नंबर को पहले लिखा जाता है. जैसे a मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 इज इक्वल टू 5a, नॉट a5. ओके, z into 7, 7z, not z7. Similarly, 3 into y is equal to 3y. Division of a literal and a number. A divided by 4 will be a upon 4. 10 divided by b is equal to 10 upon b. Now, points to be remembered. Variables change their values according to situations. Constants are fixed values and do not change in any situation. Using literals in generalized results of arithmetic is algebra. Expressions including constants and variables combined by arithmetical operations are called algebraic expressions. Parts of expressions separated by a plus or minus sign are called the terms of the expression. Hence, here our topic has finished. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.